Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is the latest update so far for our farm where we have our livestock. So we have this goat and a couple of cows behind me. There are these 4 babies here, and plus there are 3 mothers, one this mother, and there is 2 more mothers. So we are expecting them. They will be delivering the new babies maybe next couple of months. So let's see, hope for the best. Mashallah, now big as compared to before. So it has been almost like 3 months with us. So quite good evening, windy air and a windy evening so far, very nice. And this is the season of rice. So everywhere you can see that the rice is everywhere on their peak. It's like green. So next 2 to 3 months you will see this converted into like gold color when it will be ready for harvesting. So this is the nature, and I'm experiencing every day now something new. So that's only the update so far, and yeah. So these are the woman, but she has immature babies again. This is the second time, and we have this goat also. Mimi. So she is also pregnant. And there is one more goat. Yeah, that's the one in the deep. So as you can see that she's pregnant also. And this is our second season of rice farming. So alhamdulillah, with the grace of Almighty Allah, is full of grain, and a lovely vast grain area. Hello. So wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy, and you can subscribe and like this channel and share with your friends. So with a prayer to all of us, please keep safe. Assalamu alaikum.